Hi Scrappers, it's Kat, my scrapping mama. I am here with an unboxing video. So we're going to unbox this together and see what we've got. So we're going to get started here. Okay. Wow. First item is the big 100 sheets of White Daisy cardstock. This is a really good value. Nice cardstock. So excited to have that. Okay, what else do I got in here? I have a pack of Candy Apple Red cardstock. And sorry about the glare here. What else? I have some more magical cardstock. This cardstock coordinates with some other cardstock or pattern paper that I have. This is the more magical that I did on my last unboxing. So what I have here is the coordinating cardstock. And everything is so dusty. It came off the FedEx truck. Look at that. Got black, saffron, yellow. I don't think it's actually yellow. I think it's lemon. The red, and then I believe that's bluebird. Cool. So lots of paper. And I have more paper in here. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this kit together. This is the Workshops Your Way Grateful Heart. Let's take this apart and see what we have here. This is item G1161. Ooh, you have some compliments. These are really nice stickers. They're real heavyweight stickers. Butterflies, grateful. Little owl with sunflowers. Some leaves. Ooh, and these are pretty. These are foil. Hold that up and see if you can see that. These are foil. And that's my little dog. She thinks that whenever we come downstairs, she needs to go out the door. She was just outside. So if you hear her, I'm not being a bad dog mama. Isn't this pretty? All right. And these are called compliments. And you can buy these separately. These also come in the kit. These are cork shapes. They are really cool. This is the back side. That's got the glue on it. Looks like glue. No. Some sort of line markers. Okay. Grateful Heart cork shapes. And then it comes with some fern stitched ribbon. This is such a pretty color, this fern color. Got photo mats. And the all-important workshop instructions. So this makes 3 layouts, so it makes 6 pages and 8 cards. Comes with all the instructions. Oh, look at those cards. Are those not beautiful? Wow. Look at that. So you do need the stamp set to go with it, the Grateful Heart Card Making C1727. Let's take a look at this paper. So the colors in here are Fern, Espresso, Glacier, Gold Rush, Mink, New England Ivory, Saffron, Sapphire, Pomegranate, and White Daisy. Wow. Let's take a look here. There's the Picture My Life cards. These are so neat because they're the same pattern on both sides. One's just horizontal, one's vertical. A pretty pattern paper. Everything comes with these zip strips. I just love this paper. So stinking beautiful. Okay, so there's that kit. Let's see what else is in my neat little box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've been waiting for these. These are the thin cut stitched circles, Z4181. These are the die cuts that have the stitching. So I got the circles, the ovals, and I'm pretty sure I ordered hearts. Ooh, I did. Yay, jumping up and down. These are so cute. Hold it up here so you can see that stitching. What else did I get? Oh, I got the color of the year stamp pad, Sugar Plum. I got 2 more of the shaker window foam and acetate sets. These are Z4310. And I did get the anti-static pouch. This is for the embossing. That's so that I can do away with my dryer sheets that I use in baby powder. I also have the November stamp of the month. So just a few weeks you'll be seeing some pretty cards and layouts made with this stamp set. It is S1811. So in the month of November you can purchase this. With a $50 order, it's $5, or it's $18.95 by itself. Really pretty. It's got a little birdhouse, a bird nest, some grass. This looks like could be rain or snow. Stars, little ornaments. So these could either be spring trees. It's got leaves. They could be kind of fall trees. So this is good. And you've got kind of like palm fronds here. Wow, all kinds of cool trees. This is really neat. And then I got the December stamp of the month. This is the Candy Cane Alphabet. This is S1812. So in December, you'll be able to order this. And then, of course, I got a paper pack sampler. This has all the pattern paper in it for the catalog. And then, most importantly, I have some videos coming up, some techniques. Hold on, Toto. I have some techniques coming up. I have the all-purpose mat in here. This is item number Z2045. I'm going to be using the texture paste. So I'll have some texture paste cards in my card buffet, and I'll be doing some card demos with texture paste in videos. So wow, this was fun. This was a lot of stuff. Holy moly. A lot of paper, a lot of nice die cuts. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. This was my order for October 9th, 2018 from Close to My Heart. So be checking for more videos and unboxing next month. See you. Bye.